Hey everyone, and welcome. We are talking about a huge, massive shift happening in the tech world right now. It's all about a brand new partnership and a term that, well, sounds a little weird, but you're about to hear it everywhere. Vibe coding. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. Coding with just vibes? It sounds kind of out there, right? Maybe just another buzzword that'll be gone in a year. But what if I told you it's actually the key to something way, way bigger? So let's break it down. At its heart, vibe coding is actually pretty simple. It's this idea that you can just tell a computer what you want to build, an app, a website, you name it, using plain English. And boom, an AI generates all the working code for you. You can forget all that complicated syntax. All you really need is the idea itself. And look, this isn't just some futuristic pipe dream anymore. Vibe coding just got a serious push into the real world, and it's all thanks to a blockbuster deal between two industry giants. That's right, Google Cloud is officially partnering with Replit, a startup that's been absolutely crushing it in this new AI coding space. This move right here, it's a massive signal pointing to exactly where the entire industry is headed. And when you dig into the details, you can see it's a perfect win-win. Replit gets to tap into Google's insane infrastructure and its super advanced AI. And what does Google get? Well, they get a direct pipeline to a whole new world of customers. We're talking designers, product managers, entrepreneurs. Their goal is, and I'm quoting here, to make enterprise vibe coding a real everyday thing. But a deal this big doesn't just happen out of nowhere. It's a direct reaction to the absolutely explosive growth we're seeing in this space. And to really get why, well, you just have to follow the money. So let's start with Replit's valuation. After their last funding round, the company is now worth a staggering $3 billion. That officially puts them in the heavyweight champion category for AI startups. And this chart shows you exactly why they're a heavyweight. Replit's revenue just skyrocketed from $2.8 million to $150 million. And get this, that happened in less than 1 year. That kind of wild hypergrowth, it doesn't just get you noticed. It forces giants like Google to sit up and make a big move. And hey, if you need more proof, data from the fintech company Ramp shows that Replit is bringing in new customers faster than any other software company on their entire platform. The momentum is just, it's undeniable. But, of course, Google and Replit are not the only ones playing this game. This partnership is really just the latest move in what's quickly becoming a full-on AI coding arms race. So on one side, you have this new Google-Replit alliance, but on the other side, you've got some seriously tough rivals like Anthropic and Cursor, and they are fighting hard for the exact same turf. And these competitors have some serious cash to throw around. Anthropic's coding product just hit a $1 billion revenue run rate. That's what they're on track to make in a year. Meanwhile, Cursor has already hit a full billion in revenue and just got valued at over $29 billion. The stakes in this game are absolutely astronomical. Okay, so we've got a tech arms race. We have billions of dollars flying around. But why should you actually care? How is vibe coding going to change the game for creators, for entrepreneurs, for all of us? I think this quote from Replit's CEO, Amjad Masad, just hits the nail on the head. The whole vision here is to tear down the walls between having an idea and actually making it happen. It's all about empowering literally anyone to build and innovate, no matter what their technical background is. When you step back, this is all pointing to a future where anyone with a good idea can truly become a creator. I mean, just imagine a marketing manager building their own custom analytics tool, or a designer prototyping a real working app, all without having to write a single line of traditional code. This could completely change how businesses innovate by unleashing that entrepreneurial spark in every single department. And that really leaves us with a fascinating, kind of a wild question for the future, doesn't it? As these tools get more and more powerful, the barrier to creating the next big thing just gets lower and lower. So could the next billion-dollar app be sitting out there right now, just waiting for someone to describe it in a single, simple sentence? Only time will tell. Thanks so much for watching.